Forget Macca's, make your own drive-through. Welcome to my driveway, which I turned into a herby haven. I had limited space for growing food, so I had to think outside the box. Here's my ingredients for doing it. Get yourself some plastic pots. For me, simple, cheap is the best. Buy yourself some good, decent potting mix. The main difference between cheap and inexpensive potting mix is the fertiliser, and you will notice it in your plant's growth. Now it's about positioning. Assess the area, how much sunlight does it receive. Remember, concrete heats up. Also consider access, making sure you're leaving enough room to get the bins out. Then consider the selection of plants. I choose lots of herbs and leafy greens because for me, it's about coming out here most nights and picking a little to go with each meal. So if you're itching to get your hands dirty, why not turn your driveway into a drive-through herb garden? Time to get creative and rethink the space you have. Happy gardening.